Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be showing you on how you can get a free funded 100k account to trade here in this channel, and I'll friendly advise you to click on the subscription button and also turn on notifications so that you can always be the first to see my videos anytime I drop any updates on any forex account or any forex broker. So let's proceed. As we can all see here, the name of the broker is Funded Next Broker, and I will strongly advise you to make sure you follow this video step by step so you don't miss out on getting the account funded. Like I said before, the name of the broker is Funded Next. Let's proceed. The first box is meant for your first name, like you see, and the next one is your last name, and the next box down is for your Gmail, where you have to input your Gmail. Like, watch very closely. You see I put mine, and I have to blur this part so that YouTube won't take down the video. And you select the country where you're from. Like, as for me now, I have the details of Nigeria, so I put Nigeria, and the next box is for you to put your password. Also under it, the following box is for you to make sure your password is correct, so you have to confirm it again from the box under. That's confirm password. That's it. You confirm your password, making sure you put in a correct password, like the first one. Immediately you click on the privacy policy and click on register. Here you will be sent an email where you'll be receiving a 6-digit code. You head down to your Gmail and then copy the code from there. And you go back to the site to paste it there. You paste it and click on verify email. So you wait for some seconds and then you get verified. And you'll be redirected back to where you have to log in, put in your Gmail and the password you put in the first place. And you click on login and you'll be logged in successfully. As you can see here, we are already logged in the site. As you can see here, we logged in. You see these 3 lines up here, you click on it. You click on the 3 line and it brings the option. You click on competition. From there you are redirected here. You click on as you can see, we have competition list. That's the upcoming one, on which I'll be using to show you guys on how you can get the bonus. So you click on enroll for the competition. Where you enroll for the competition, you'll be directed here. This the simple task you have to do to get funded. Just click on download. As you can see in the video, the image is already downloaded. You click on the Facebook icon down there. You'll be directed to your Facebook site where you have to just post the image. As you can see, everything is prepared. Just click on post and then the image will be posted on your Facebook page, your Facebook story. So from there you click on this cancel up here. As you can see, the image is posted in your Facebook story, and then you go back and click on the Twitter icon down there, and also you post it. Everything is prepared already. You just post it on Twitter and see it post. Once you are done with both, see the next box down there, post the link. It means it needs the links to prove that you post the picture. Then you head straight to your Facebook account, click on these 3 dots and then copy the link. So you head back to the site, then you paste the link you copied here in this box and click on submit. So it's loading, as you can see, and then we will send a message that we've been enrolled successfully. Here I would want you to look very closely. As you can see, where the competition occurs every month. So you click on profile to get your profile, your MT5 profile and your current profile, to see details about everything, about things. You see, that's the MT5 profile to use to log into your MetaTrader 5. Then the time till the competition would start. See your current equity, your current balance. Everything will be loaded once the trade starts. Scroll back up and then you see rules. Click on the rules where you see the terms and conditions, the price that will be given according to your ranking. Each price, you see the first price $7,000 in cash. For the second position, they have $3,000 in cash. $2,000 in cash for the third place, and you see fourth, fifth, and so on like that. It goes like that till the top 100 are being rewarded. After we've known all this, we scroll back up where you see an icon. Just scroll back up. You see an icon that shows rules. These are the rules we need to know and maintain to be in the competition. Drawdown will be calculated based on your balance. Maximum daily loss 5%, maximum overall loss 10%. Each candidate must have a minimum trading required of 5 days. News are allowed, as you know. Commission is just $3 per lot size for forex and commodities, no cap. Overnight and over weekend holding is permitted. Account will be swap free. Okay. EAs are not allowed, that's robots. You have maximum of 5 lot size for forex pair, maximum of 3 lot size for indices and commodities and metals. Participants can hold a maximum of 5 trading positions at a time. Only one account and one IP per person is permitted. And very important, top 10 winners must attend interview in order to claim their prize. So let's head to how we get into our MetaTrader 5. How we log into our MetaTrader 5. Here, see the details here. The server, you click on that box, and then you copy the login number of your MT5. Click on this view, and the code will be sent to your Gmail immediately. So you head to your MT5, click on this cross sign and click on find broker. You type in funded next, that's it. So you put it here and you paste your account number you copied. Without wasting time, you head to your Gmail, copy the password, head to your MetaTrader 5 and paste it. But make sure the server is server 3, funded next server 3, and you click on login. Here you see we've been logged in and we have our accounts ready to trade. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you can always have more of these videos. Love you guys.